Hi everyone and welcome to Inventicity, the channel where we combine inventiveness with felicity. I have been very fascinated by Pinterest lately. It is now August 2020 and I have been a lot of Pinterest because of the recent algorithm updates. There have been some huge changes on Pinterest lately and I think they will benefit new bloggers. So if you are a new blogger, listen carefully now. I want you to avoid the difficulties in Pinterest and take advantage of the big changes happening now. Pinterest, they announced recently that they want to prioritize creators on their platform. They want, of course, as all social media platforms, people to stay more on Pinterest. So, for example, they now have story pins where it's not possible to click through to the creator's website. And a lot of creators and bloggers, they are frustrated by these changes. Pinterest, they have also stated that they want new, fresh content. Up until now, bloggers and entrepreneurs, they have been repinning the same pins, the same pictures over and over again, and they have gained a lot of traffic to their website that way. But now, Pinterest want you to upload new, fresh pins, as they say, and they especially prioritize video pins. So I recommend you to, if you are a new blogger and also if you are an experienced blogger, of course, start making great video pins. It's really great fun to make video pins and you get an enormous reach when you publish a new fresh video pin. And also I have seen that my old video pins, even now after the algorithm updates, my old video pins, which are several years old, some of them, they get repeatedly repinned even now. Some old pins are repinned and liked almost every day. And it's, as I said, great fun to make video pins. I think, this is just me speculating, but I think that Pinterest want to become a little more similar to YouTube. They have said that they want creators to build a following on Pinterest and that they want creators to publish new, fresh content and not repinning old pins. So listen carefully to what Pinterest are saying. It is also clear that a lot of bloggers, even good bloggers, get caught in Pinterest spam filters now. So I suggest that you don't pin more than 25 pins a day. I have been reading a lot about this and I have watched the videos from Pinterest. And I have also seen that a lot of pinners get marked as spam. So to be on the safe side, don't pin more than 25 pins a day, and that is actually a lot, especially now when new fresh pins are getting such a good reach. And many of those 25 pins, at least some of those 25 pins, should be video pins. From now on, I will experiment and do even more video pins, and I will, in a video later in August to September, I will report to you how my video pins performed. And I have to help now when Pinterest wants us to publish fresh new content. To help you, I have made a lot of Pinterest templates for you, which you can customize as you like. They are really beautiful. I think I'm a skilled pin designer. But you can judge for yourself. You can look at them here in this video now. And if you want this kind of templates for free, to customize and change as you like, then you can get on my email list and you will get 50 new fresh pin templates now immediately, and then you will get new bundles for free every month from now. So go to my website ceciliaelise.com/join, and there you can sign up to get access to my resource library. It's 100% free, and you will get new fresh pin templates every month, and you will also get access to my courses, my copywriting course and my blogging course and much more. So welcome to join my resource library. And I will, as I said, publish more videos about how my Pinterest strategy is going, and I will give more in-depth advice when I know more. I suggest that you go to Pinterest's pages about best practices, because there you will be able to learn a lot about how to stay out of Pinterest jail and about how to make well-performing pins. So learn from Pinterest themselves, and I will also publish more videos about how my strategy on Pinterest is going. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!